Hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time stopping by, you are warmly welcome, and I am Grace. I believe by the special grace of God, you all are doing amazingly good and keeping safe. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make my smoked fish stew. This stew right here is so delicious. It tastes amazing. Now, if you'd like to know how I prepare this yamalicious goodness right here, then keep watching while I talk you through the ingredients and the step-by-step method or process in preparing this yamalicious goodness right here. Without much ado, let's talk through the ingredients and get started. Cardamom seeds, curry leaves, dried rosemary, star anise, curry powder, cinnamon stick, vegetable seasoning, garlic, ginger, 2 brown onion, 1 red onion, fresh tomatoes. I have 10 pieces here. This is not enough for the quantity of stew that I'm looking out for. I need, and so I'll add 1 tin or 1 can of chopped tomatoes. So let me prep my vegetables and we'll continue. Here you are. I have my chopped tomatoes here. My fish, I'm using smoked mackerel, smoked tuna, and smoked herring, which is amani. 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, and there is my onion prepped nicely, washed and chopped into my preferred size. So into a bowl, I'll go in with my red onion, garlic, ginger, and also add the seeds, the tomato seeds, and also 1 habanero or scotch bonnet pepper. I'll use my hand blender. Now, if today is your first time coming across my channel, you are warmly welcome. I am Grace. Please subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button and the notification bell. This way, every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Thank you for supporting my channel. All right, so here I have it. This is what I'm going for. I don't like it smooth. This is what I like. All right, so next into a pot, I'll go in with my oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil that you have available. And here goes in 1 of the brown onion that I sliced. Okay, so next is curry powder, followed by the star anise, dried rosemary, curry leaves, cinnamon stick, and a tablespoonful of the vegetable seasoning. I'll give this a very good stir and leave it to fry in the oil for like 2 minutes. I'm doing this just to release the aroma and the oil in the spices. Next goes in my blended vegetables, that is the onion, garlic, ginger, and then the tomato seed and the habanero pepper. So I'll give it a very good stir, cover it, and let it cook for like 20 minutes while I stir occasionally or in between that 20 minutes. The reason being that I don't want this to get burned. All right. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes already. Now I'm going in with my chopped tomatoes. I'll give it a very good stir, cover it, and let it cook for 20 minutes while I stay in between. Now, to all my subscribers, my viewers, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I am very grateful. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos every now and then. Okay, so next is my homemade red chili sauce or bell pepper sauce. I went in with that and the chopped tomatoes, gave it a very good stir, tasted for salt, and I added a little bit of salt to it. Now, if you haven't watched the recipe video of this red bell pepper sauce or red chili sauce, please go back and watch that video and give it a try. You will love it because this red bell pepper sauce is a game changer. It is a game changer. Trust me, it's so good. It's so good in anything you prepare, like stew, in your fried rice. It works perfect in your as using it as a dip or as a condiment. It's just amazing. So give it a try. All right, so at this point, I'll go in with my fish. As I said earlier, I'm using 3 types of smoked fish. That is smoked mackerel, smoked tuna, and smoked herring. So it goes in there. I'll give it a very good stir. Leave it on a medium heat for like 5 minutes. What all I'm doing right now is to release the juices in the fish into the stew, and also for the fish to absorb the goodness in the stew. Now I'll finish it off with some onions. Yes, I'll spread it out and cover it. And then later on come back and give it a very good stir. And yes, we are done. Our smoked fish stew is ready to be served. Yes, so you can have the stew with boiled rice, boiled yam, fried yam. You can have it with benku, you can have it with kenke, with gari. I mean, name it all. It is a versatile sauce. It is a versatile stew. Voila, here we have our smoked fish stew. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is not just beautiful, but it tastes so good. The aroma, oh my God, it's just amazing. I know you will love this recipe or this stew if you should give it a try. So please do give it a try and you will love it. All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me till this far. If you have not yet subscribed, please click on the red subscribe button and the notification bell. This way, every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Until I come your way with something delicious, something yummy, something finger licking, something mouth watering. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, be true to yourself, and remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst times and from the worst mistakes. I will see you again in my next one. Bye.